I'm gonna try and hold this behind me so it doesn't get spotted. Guys, you guys got to get ahead of me. There's guys ahead of me. There's BBs hitting the leaves in front. I don't know. All right, yeah, right near the ref. Straight ahead behind this tree here. On the other side of it a good way. There's still one over here on the left though.
I know, I don't know where he's on.
Oh, there's a trail cam right there. Do you want to grab it and I'll hold them? I'll move them. I'll try and move up to that water tank to see what's going on. The dark one here. He's there looking. Just hold on. There's a lot of traffic. Got but one behind the corrugated black tube. Stay low, because I don't see anything. Not now. Probably not, because there's guys looking at it. Straight ahead that way. No, not this far. Just hold on. I don't see him, but you see between the two, there's like that corrugated black pipe. There was a guy behind that. There's a bunch of tires and wood there. But I'm still sure there's one off to the left here. See him moving? Oh, that's the new guy too. Hey, I'm gonna move up to this water tank, this dark one. Hey, we got a guy straight ahead in blue flannel. There's somebody over this way shooting at me, I can hear him. I'm pinned down here. Just watch, they're over off to the left over here. Hey, about like 1 or 2 o'clock here. Blue flannel. I don't have a visual on that guy on the left. Does anybody have a visual on the guy in the far left? Reloading. We need some more bodies over here. I see him back there. Yo, can you move up with me? They're coming through here, so I need to set my hop up. I can't with this angle. Far left.
Behind a tree.
I'm gonna try and move this tree right ahead of us. Give me some cover fire. Crossing. All right, I got a guy off to the right. Shit, reloading. I know, I'm reloading. Gun hit. Hey, behind the big tires right here. The grenade launcher. I'm in a bad spot right here. I gotta reload. It's a bad spot because I got a guy eyeballing me over here. To my left, so it'd be your right. Watch, he's straight ahead of you. He's straight ahead of you.